Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So very quick video here just to say thank you very much to all the new subscribers that have recently subscribed to my channel. We have just hit 200 subscribers. I think we're sitting at around 204 at the moment. Really over the moon. Can't believe how quick this channel's growing. This has only been up and running a couple of weeks or so, so to have this amount of interaction and views and support is just really nice to see. It's amazing to see how many people are stacking. Especially, it's nice to see that there are quite a lot of UK silver stackers. I always knew that there was a lot of American stackers, and it's quite nice to see some of the UK stackers coming out of the woodwork as well. So it's just nice that the whole community is coming together. Really positive to see that so many people are getting into stacking precious metals. It's never too late to get involved in precious metals. As always, do your own research, make sure it's right for you. Don't over invest and just have fun with it. So yeah, thanks very much for all my new subscribers. I'm going to try and continue to keep pushing out the content. Let me know in the comment sections any videos you would like to see. As always, thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.